Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable the multiple calendars feature in NetSuite OneWorld. Don't forget please to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So first thing first, we need to review the adjustments periods. You need to ensure that open standalone adjustment periods overlap existing non-adjustments periods before enabling these features. The thing that you need to check is that the future adjustments period is a recommendation from NetSuite, the open adjustments period is required, and the historical close adjustments period is purely optional. So you will navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features. If you find this video helpful, please like it. It will be of great help from you to me. So in the Accounting subtab that we go here, we need to look for advanced features, so here, and we need to check the multiple calendars box. Let's see where it is, multiple calendars box. Okay, you click the checkbox and then you can just click save. While you are saving these enable features, don't forget to visit coleno.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes. By following these steps, you can enable the multiple calendars features in NetSuite OneWorld and improve your financial management. Thank you for watching.